Hello, my name is Donna Dominco. I am the Public Works Director for the Borough of Westville and Brooklawn in New Jersey, and I am an Easy Street customer. We use Easy Street for repairing potholes and roads, for utility cuts, as we also do water and sewer repairs. I have been using Easy Street for a long time, I don't know how many years, and am very satisfied with the product. We find the most success in the winter, especially when there's no hot patch available, because Easy Street is a permanent repair. We don't have to pay twice for the same service. Here in New Jersey, we have a lot of cold weather and a lot of salt that erodes our roadways and creates many, many potholes, which Easy Street is a great repair in the wintertime because it is permanent. Lasts a long time. All right. You're going to cut all that, right?